Hey smart squad, welcome back to our channel. So if you're looking for a spot-free, wrinkle-free and glowing face, make sure you watch this video to the very end, as I'll be revealing one of the secrets to my glowing face. Now this product is one that has contributed greatly to my skincare routine. Like, it has contributed so much to this spotless free face that you're looking at right here. So I know that many of you have tried so many types of this particular product that I'll be talking about with no results, like no results at all. Some even complain of getting darker. They've used both the expensive ones, the cheap ones, the ones that promised heaven on earth and did not deliver. But trust me on this one and stay tuned to the very end of this video. So this is Mabox vitamin C 20%, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E serum. Now this serum is a 30 ml serum and it is amazing. So if you're looking for a powerhouse serum that addresses multiple skin concerns, this might just be your new obsession. I've been using this for about a month and the results have been phenomenal. I have a super sensitive acne prone skin with stubborn dark spots, but I am happy to tell you that it has helped with my acne scars and my dark spots have faded significantly. And guess what? No breakouts. This serum has really brightened my complexion and made my skin feel smoother and more hydrated. And the combination of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid and vitamin E is just perfect. One thing I love about this serum is how well it layers under my other skincare products. Like, it doesn't pile or feel greasy, which is a huge plus. So let's see what it looks like inside, and then we'll talk about what the manufacturer claims as we look at the ingredient lists as well. So this is how it looks like inside. It comes with a dropper. Like I said, I have personally used this product, and as you can see, the product is around here. It's almost finished. I have been using this for almost a month, and trust me, this serum is worth everything. I have used other vitamin C serums, from the expensive ones down to the cheap ones, and I usually experience irritations. Is either I break out or I experience redness or rashes on my face, different skin issues. But this serum has been a game changer for me. Now let's talk about the ingredients. It contains vitamin C, it contains niacinamide, benzyl alcohol, salicylic acid, silk amino acids, and a number of amazing ingredients as well. Now about Mabox Beauty Vitamin C Serum, this vitamin C serum is thin and highly effective, which is true. It will help fade sunspots on the face, refine skin texture, reduce wrinkle formation and minimize existing wrinkles. It also has a high concentrated base of pure vegan hyaluronic to plump, protect and restate skin cells. These are all true about this serum. I am a living witness, and I can tell you for a fact that there are no lies here. It says the direction here: wash and wipe your face, apply a small amount to entire face and neck, wait till it fully absorbs. Apply a high quality moisturizer such as Mabox Beauty Retinol Moisturizer. Can be used daily, can be used before makeup. This serum was actually formulated to suit a variety of skin types, which includes oily skin, as it helps control excess oil and reduce the appearance of pores. For dry skin, with the inclusion of hyaluronic acid, it helps with intense hydration. It helps sensitive skin as well with vitamin E to protect and soothe the skin from irritation. So it helps to balance hydration and oil production level in combination skin. Now this serum can also help with your acne. With the anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin C, this serum can help with your redness and acne scars. This serum can also help with your wrinkles, with the combination of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to boost collagen production and plump your skin. Now another thing that this serum can help you do is lighten the pigmentation around your eyes. That's what you call your dark eye circles. With consistent usage of this serum, you can notice a visible change in your hyperpigmentation. Like, it can actually lighten your hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Now all you have to do is use this serum twice daily, morning and night. Now, how do you incorporate this into your skincare routine? To incorporate this into your skincare routine, all you have to do is apply a few drops on cleansed skin after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing. This means that after you have washed your face with soap and water or with a facial wash, you use a toner if you have one, and if you don't have one, just move on to applying the serum. Apply a few drops on cleansed skin. Use your hands to massage it into your skin, and then you can go ahead to use your moisturizer. Now this serum layers well with other products, so you have nothing to worry about. After using this serum, make sure you use a broad spectrum sunscreen on your face, because vitamin C can actually make your skin sensitive to the sun. Without sunscreen, you can actually burn, like your skin will be highly pigmented. So make sure that you are using a very good sunscreen. Now if you use this serum just as I have explained, you would notice good results within 2 to 4 weeks with consistent usage. I and other customers who have been on this Mabox vitamin C serum have all reported a brighter, more even toned skin, reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, and overall improved skin texture. However, if you have a very sensitive skin like myself, you might notice a little bit of tingling or redness. This usually subsides. I highly recommend this serum to everyone who is looking to improve their skin tone, texture, and overall radiance. Now to the big question, is it worth the price? Absolutely. For under 15k, you are getting a high quality serum that delivers visible results from as low as 2 weeks. This is a steal compared to other high-end vitamin C serums in the market. Trust me, this serum is worth every penny due to the concentration of its active ingredients and results. If you decide to give Mabox vitamin C 20% a try, you can get it from us, you can get it from our store, you can get it from Amazon, you can get it from their official website. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. So stay tuned for my next video where I'll be discussing a very good moisturizer that layers well with other products that you can use alongside vitamin C Mabox serum. Now, if you have tried this serum before, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please like it, share with your friends, your family, even your enemies. Everyone deserves to glow. See you in my next video. Bye.